Hey guys.
DVC Moonlight Magic.
I know. I'm so excited. Epcot.
Have you caught the madness?
What does that mean?
I don't know. It's Moonlight Madness.
Oh, gotcha. That took me for a second. I need to start over.
We're still on cruise time. We still haven't got enough sleep.
I just had a nap on the way over here, so I'm not
she
awake.
napped on the drive.
I'm not awake yet.
Which you should get points just for napping on the drive on the way over here. So let's head in and get checked in and
see if we can see some different characters and see what we can ride.
We did hear Mushu was here tonight.
Yeah.
So
how exciting is that?
We're waiting on some guests, or maybe they're waiting on us. I don't know.
No, it's monorail. Squirrel. All
right, we're squirreled out. Let's go. I'm on the hunt for the elusive Crystal and Bryson. I think I may have found them.
Hey, we know you.
Oh, this way.
Back to your left.
More in the center of the picture.
Oh, you need to go to the right a little then.
Oh, they made fun.
You know what center is?
Yeah, but they made fun of it, so I stopped.
Is that a new Spirit jersey? How much? $64.99? I think that's what they all are, right? But that one is so... Oh my God, it's close to 4th of July already.
I know.
Didn't even think of that. Oh, look at this one. Is this new too?
Yeah.
And these, well, how much is this? $44.90, $9.99 for the keychains. Look at it, a fanny pack.
Aww.
Did they always sell fanny packs, or are they just getting back into the craze?
Getting back in. This must be a kid's.
Oh yeah, kids. I couldn't see the back. Cool. And Minnie and Mickey. $21.99 for each of them. Oh, I'm loving this backpack. Look at that. They have so many ears now that you go broke buying all of them.
I know, I can't, but look at
Every time you come to the park, it seems like land that I love. Oh.
Look how beautiful these are.
I like the backpack too. But you know me with this backpack, that white would be so dirty.
Ooh,
oh, look at the stars.
Oh, that's so cute.
Look at, do you see the stars?
Yes.
Or Mickey heads too?
Yes.
How awesome is that?
Oh my goodness.
How much is it?
$44.99. It's kind of a weird material. It's like a sweatshirt jersey.
Yeah. A whole new galaxy's coming to Epcot. Look at how the top looks without any solar panels.
It's so weird.
You can kind of see in there. The whole building's open all the way through though. That's a lot of work they got left on that. You can see all the way out the back.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, the whole building's empty all the way out the back. That's going to be the queue in the pre-ride. Dream Builders. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Walt Disney.
Just get a trolley.
So if you know who the Lovin' Spoonful is, here it is. What did you get me? All right. You got a brain freeze? It is not your night tonight, is it?
Tonight, reflections of Earth.
Taco.
Goofy, I love your outfit. You're cute. That is awesome.
Their channel.
You guys all have YouTube channels? Oh, stay quiet. Okay. I'm gonna sit over here.
Bambi, Thumper, and Stinky. In all honesty, they should give him a name like Flower instead of Stinky.
They did give him a name like Shut up, you guys. Go ahead, Misa. Awesome. Oh, perfect.
So every time I go to speak, it's
The
more
music
music.
comes on?
Yeah, but that's 2 character meets down.
They're so much fun.
Scottish,
Goofy, yeah. Goofy
Scottish Goofy
is
and
Phil and Donald and
Canadian
his, like,
Donald,
Lumberjack,
a Ducker Jack.
and they are just on point tonight.
It was fun.
It was fun.
Now we're either gonna go to another meet and greet or to the dance party.
Might do test track
Oh yeah, we gotta do test track before.
at nighttime.
Yeah,
So much to do.
we haven't done test track at night in a while.
I know. That's why I gotta go do it.
Let's go do something. I wish all these food booths were open still. What about an Apple Watch?
I mean, I can try, but no guarantees.
They're in love.
I believe we're swapping or adding.
You're in it to win it. Finn, this is your rock song, and you're gonna rock it out to the ladies. Here we go, Finn.
I got you, Stick.
All right, so ladies, this is your everyone should know this song. Attitude it up, ladies. Feel the attitude and let it go. Right there, give the ladies a big round of applause. Well done, ladies. Go and scoot on back up. Men, again, each round you're stepping it up a little higher, a little higher. All right, scoot on back, ladies. Goodness of the graces of the ladies. Feel it. Good. Not quite as good as the last ladies round, though. But that was good. That was good. It was good. It was good. I felt it. I felt it. What?
It's the climb.
Right.
You are my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be the wind like sail on the sea stays behind me. Like the cold never bothered me anyway. Summer days drifting away.
Which one did you get? Oh, you got the premium bar, right? I went with the no sugar added strawberry bar. You know the beauty of these? They don't melt like those.
Yeah, this is melting already.
Batter, it'll melt and then I'll have chocolate all over me, but
Yeah.
the bad thing about this is there's no way I'll finish it before we get in.
True, I will finish this.
But I gotta have it done before the ride, right? Because we are about to do a little test track. Good news, you asked how long the wait was because
That is, sign says 30 minutes,
and they said no, there's nobody in line.
so we're going. We're doing it.
Oh, I haven't seen this car here before.
Bob's gonna make the best car ever.
You want a car or truck or?
We want what's gonna win because we gotta be Crystal and Bryson. It's looking good so far. Nice.
This is definitely a winner.
This is our vehicle.
You ready to do this? How long has it been since we've done this?
It's been forever on night.
Yeah.
Results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare. maker when it comes to their efficiency.
I think it's out there.
That is so funny. Guess where we are? Soarin'! We're getting ready to fly around the world. Smell Fiji. They should make that a candle. Somebody should think of that. Really. And then fireworks. Yeah, I'm really excited about the fireworks because they've seen them, but we haven't. Yes.
And we've literally just walked right on.
Yeah.
Here's Bob and Bryson.
Captain Jack. You know that? Pretty cool. Currently in King's Landing. That's what it feels like after that episode last night.
Pretty awesome that Disney did that just for DVC members.
Yeah, DVC fireworks if you can ever do it.
Do that for us.
It was only 5 minutes long, but it was like
Fireworks though.
half of it was the finale. It was pretty awesome. Wind wasn't helpful tonight, but that was fun, wasn't it?
That was so much fun.
So much fun.
We got to see characters, we did some rides.
Hung out with Crystal and Bryson all night. Of course, I'll link their stuff here.
Yes, for Love and Mouse.
And Mark and Kim and Nolan.
Yes, it was awesome.
It was awesome running into them again.
But if you
So
ever
cool.
have the opportunity to go to one of these events, they're super fun. There's, you know, just a little to no wait.
Even that 5-minute firework show is
Like,
worth it.
You could feel
know?
it, like you could
You can feel it in your soul.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is so much fun.
We walked on
Soarin', basically.
Soarin' and we walked on Test Track.
Yeah, the two biggest rides here.
Mhm.
We didn't try to go to Frozen, but I'm sure it wasn't too bad of a
We
wait.
did the Grand Fiesta Tour, 3 Caballeros. That's all we did, right?
Yeah.
We just walked around and hung out all
yeah,
night.
talking. I mean, that's what I have fun doing.
Especially when you got friends and they only come down, you know. They lived here, it'd be different.
I know.
Yeah. But
we had a really nice time. Thank you so much, guys,
that was
for
awesome.
coming along on our adventure. We hope you enjoyed it.
And we got to come because Crystal and Bryson invited us. Right?
Thank you so much. I really appreciated it.
Ooh, I feel like my hat's been on too tight today.
Is your head getting big?
I don't know. I'm tired.
I am too.
It is the one downside about it, not about us, about the event. It's almost 1 o'clock in the
It's
morning,
almost 1 o'clock.
and she's got to be at work at 7
I have
tomorrow.
to be at work till at 7 in the morning.
At 7.
At
you have
7.
to be at work.
At 7 in the morning.
So right now we're gonna get home around 2.
So I might not get all asleep.
No. So we're gonna get out of here.
But it
so
was
she can
worth
get some
it.
sleep. Yeah, it was worth it.
It was so worth
It was such a
it.
great night.
Thank you so much.
Yep. Thanks for coming along and having fun with us.
Yeah, and check out our other videos. We have some
And our Harmony series going on
Yeah,
right
we
now.
have Disney
Day 1 of the Harmony
Universal
trips out.
cruise. Yes.
Yeah, so that's a lot of fun. Check that out. I'll link that at the end along with whatever you guys want to see. You ready?
Yep.
Let's boogaloo.
All right. Let's do this.
Don't waste a day.
Every day's a gift.
Bye guys.
Bye.